Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel Soul Journey. My name is Beck, or Anu Ani, the expansion doula. And today we're doing a little bit of a different video. Several of you have requested me to make a 4Ocean Bracelet Collection video, as I have been collecting them basically the whole time. And so I just thought I'd do a quick video. This is honestly the third time I filmed this over the last several months, and I just haven't had a chance to put it up, but I thought today is the day. So for those of you who don't know, 4Ocean is a company that's been around for almost 3 years now, I believe. Let's see. Yeah, about 3 years. And basically it was started by two surfer guys. They were in the ocean and just realized how much trash was in the ocean, and they were like, this won't do. So they decided to design a bracelet made out of completely recycled materials. And they sell each of these bracelets for $20, and for each bracelet sold, they pull a pound of trash out of the ocean. I think they've hit over 2 million pounds at this point. They do beach cleanups, and they do, they're on the ocean 7 days a week, pulling trash out of the ocean, and it's pretty amazing, and it's really blown up. So the first year they created the traditional blue 4Ocean bracelet, and then they had 4 other bracelets, and then they decided to do a bracelet a month that were different colors, so they were just available for that month. And each of those bracelets, 10% of that profit went to a conservation for either animals or something having to do with the ocean. And so you can sign up for a subscription and get your bracelet every single month. You get it a little early before everyone else can. And it's just a really cool way to continually support ocean cleanup. And this is just something that really resonated with me. So this is the second year that I've been signed up for the subscription. It's the second year they're doing it. You can sign up for it anytime during the year, and you can just buy the individual bracelets every month. And then at the end of the year, it seems to be that they basically release all the bracelets in one go, so anyone can kind of like catch up. But anyway, I've been collecting for basically this whole time. I think I have all of them except one. So basically this is my collection, and I'm just going to go over that. So this is the 4Ocean little emblem. I'm not sponsored, guys. This is just something I'm really passionate about because I'm really into sustainable living and supporting the planet in its healing and cleaning up. So anyway, that is that. So this is going to be a quick video. I don't want to take too long. This is just going to be very, very simple. So this was my first 4Ocean bracelet I got. This is the traditional blue. They do fade a little bit if you wear them in the shower and stuff, but I actually think it looks kind of pretty. And this was the original charm. They've actually changed it, I think halfway through last year. So they changed this a little bit so you could see it a little better, but this is the old charm. So maybe one day this will be worth something. Who knows? But anyway, this was my first bracelet. So there is that. The second bracelet I got was for World Ocean Day, and that was this bracelet. This is the one of only 2 bracelets that has been broken / eaten by my cats. And so the little slidey thing broke, but I tie it and it works just as well. So that's that. Again, they fade a little bit, but I think it's super pretty. It's kind of, I don't know if you can see it very well, but it's kind of like this aqua blue. So yeah, that was World Ocean Day. And then the next one I got was for Earth Day, and that was the green one. So this would be for year 2017. They started in January 2017. So that's the World Ocean Day bracelet for that year. And then the last one I got for 2017 was the Shark Conservation bracelet. So again, all of these bracelets, 10% of the profits went to the conservation of that ecosystem or animal. So that was really cool. And if you can see, this is gray and white striped. All right, so the next year they decided to do the subscription, and each bracelet in the subscription came with a little booklet talking about what the bracelet represented. Some people had an issue with this because they felt like it just added to the waste concept. So actually this year they've stopped doing the sets, but this was really cool for sure, to get a little information. Now they just send a card, but each bracelet that I got for this one came in a little booklet, and then they sent like a little little case. I don't know if you can see this. The camera's kind of close to the ground, but as you can see. So that came with that. So the first one they had was their anniversary bracelet, which was the traditional 4Ocean blue and the white striped. So that was really pretty. The next one they had was for polar bears, and that was white. Now, some of these I believe they still have on their site. Don't quote me on that. I know they did last year. They had decided to continue polar bear conservation, the sea turtle conservation, I believe the shark conservation, so you could get them past the 1 month, but I don't know if they've continued that through the year. It might have just been for this year, or sorry, last year. So there was that. The next one they did was for corals. This one's faded a lot. I think it's super cute. And just to kind of clarify, the bracelets are made out of plastic, the beads are made out of glass, and this is metal. So they're actually nicely weighted. I actually really, really like wearing them. So there's that, the coral bracelet. Then they did another World Ocean bracelet for 2018, and they did the green and blue. So it was like the green of the last year one with the 4Ocean blue. So that was pretty cute. And I change these up. I obviously can't wear these like all the time. So every month when I get a new bracelet, I kind of pick the ones that look best with the new bracelet, and I go from there. So the next one they did was the whale bracelet, which is a like gray blue and a light blue. So that was super pretty. There's that. The next one they did was the sea turtles one. This is one of my favorites. I really like this one. It's kind of hard to tell, but it's like kind of a lime green. You can see the difference here. Oh, you really can't that much, but it's this really light green and it's really, really pretty. So I like that. So the next one, the next bracelet kind of was, is kind of an example of how they've evolved. So when they started making these bracelets, they started producing the bracelets in Bali, where their second new headquarters is. I think they now have one in Haiti. So they had started producing these in Haiti, sorry, in Bali. I found that the slidey things were definitely a lot tighter. When they switched to that, they were a little more waxy, which actually I think kind of makes them a little more stable, as long as you don't break them trying to open them. And then the other thing they did was, this is when they started making the charm different. So as you can see, the charm is a little wider, just to give you a reference. I hope you guys are interested in this. A few people have asked, so, you know, I'm going to assume. So this is the old one, this is the new one. So all the bracelets are now made with this one. So that was kind of like an upgrade. So this was for the shark conservation for 2018. So they decided to do the black. So that's really nice. All right, the next one they did was for overfishing, and that was the red. Super cute. I'm glad this one hasn't faded as much as the coral, so I can tell the difference between them because they're actually kind of similarly colored. I would say that's kind of like my only qualm with the bracelets. I feel like they do a lot of bracelets that are similarly colored, and I really like to see, just be able to look really easily at my bracelet and go, oh, it's for that, for that. So that would be my like only qualm, but honestly, like the more bracelets they make, the more they're going to have to do that anyway. But a couple of them are similarly colored, and I wish they were a little more differently colored, but it's really about the animals. It's really about the conservation. So I am, in the long run, totally okay with it. The next one was for mangroves. This is another one I really like. This is kind of like a tan and mint green. So that one's super cute. I love it. For the holidays, I wore all my red, green, and white ones. That was kind of fun. So the next one is for the manatees. This is really cute. Oh yeah, I think this one, oh yeah, the little bead hopped over. It's just kind of funny, but I think that was just kind of how it was. I don't remember. Anyway, manatees, very cute. The next one is for seabirds, which I think is funny because every time I see the little like picture on the booklet, I'll show you. Here, my first thought is always pterodactyl. So this is for pterodactyl conservation. No, I'm kidding. It's for seabirds. Seabirds eat so much plastic, it's like insane. So this is kind of like a greenish yellow. So there's that. Super cute. It looks kind of green here, but it is actually more yellow in real life. And then the last one for 2017 was the dolphin bracelet, which is this kind of light blue and white, which is kind of hard to see, but I promise it's white, or maybe it's silver. I don't know. Maybe it's gray. I don't know. Anyway, this was for dolphins. Pretty pretty. All right, so the next bracelet I actually can't take off because my cat decided to eat part of it. And so it ate the little strings. So I thought I wasn't going to be able to wear it, but I put it on, and then I burned the edges here so that it won't slide off. So I am always wearing the January bracelet, and this one's for the monk seals. And so this was for January 2019. So I'm thinking about getting a new one at the end of the year. But I actually kind of like this. It's kind of special. So as long as this works, I think I'll just keep it on. Why not? Purple's pretty, right? So that's the January monk seal one. The, what am I gonna say? February bracelet for this year is the manta rays. So that's super cute. It's got the teal and the white. I really like this one. This one's really fun. So there's that. This month, let's see, March. Yes, March is the orcas. So it's got the black and the white. Classic, classic. And then the one that hasn't come out yet in April, but I got it early because I subscribed, is the Great Barrier Reef bracelet, which is super cute. It's this light blue, kind of minty blue green, and I'm super in love with this one. So that is the bracelet that will be coming out in about a week-ish. And then the final bracelet, which is just a normal 4Ocean bracelet, but it has a special place in my heart, is this one, because this is the bracelet I got. This is actually, it's got the new charm, and my first one has the old charm, so I can tell them apart. But this one has a special place in my heart because this is the bracelet I got during the 4Ocean cleanup that I joined in on with my mom. And everyone who does the cleanup gets a bracelet. So that was super, super special. So that one's got a special place in my heart. So guys, that is my entire 4Ocean bracelet collection. I really love them. They're super fun, and I highly recommend go checking out 4Ocean.com. Again, it's not sponsored, but let me see if I can do this. But I highly recommend it. They have now pulled, you know, over 2 million pounds, and it's just an amazing company, and their customer service is amazing. Anytime I've ever had an issue, I've messaged them on Instagram, and they've immediately written back. Anytime I post and tag them in something, they're always like, thank you for supporting us. They're super connected. The beach cleanup was super, super, super organized. It was lovely. I had an amazing time. If you guys want to hear about the beach cleanup, please comment down below, and I can do a video on it. It was a lot of fun. It was pretty amazing, and it gave me all the feels. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. If you'd like to see my other videos, definitely subscribe to my channel. I put out videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. I do tarot readings for the collective on Friday. I do spiritual related videos on Monday, and then I do kind of fun review things on Wednesdays. So that is the schedule. I'm going to try to keep up with it. It's my new goal for this year. And if you'd like to check out my other social media links, they are in the description down below, along with my Patreon if you want to support my channel, and my Etsy shop where you can get personal tarot readings from me and all kinds of fun, magical, witchy things. I have a clothing line. I've got jewelry over there. Go definitely check it out. And lots of other cool links down in the description. So thank you so much for watching. Definitely give this a like and hit subscribe if you liked it, and hit the notification bell so that you can see when I post. All right, love you guys so much. Many blessings. Namaste. And don't forget, it's all about the soul journey. Bye.